All of us are passionate about at least one thing. I have friends who are passionate about cooking, for instance, music and makeup. I myself am deeply passionate about health and well-being. Passion is born out of fervor and intense emotions. These same strong emotions are what drive Century Properties to provide Filipinos with innovative and reputable high-rise condominiums. With more than 2 decades of innovation, excellence, and superior service, Century Properties has broken new ground by pioneering fully furnished and fully serviced luxury condominiums. The Gramercy Residences and Knightsbridge Residences at Century City, located along Kalayaan Avenue, Makati, for instance, offer larger-than-life amenities and a lifestyle inspired by high-end urban living in New York and London, respectively. It's a luxurious lifestyle that you can also experience in other projects of Century Properties, such as south of Market at the Fort, the country's first fully fitted and fully furnished residential high-rise, Grand Soho Makati, the country's first fully furnished condo with 3 interior design options, Soho Central, the country's first transportation-oriented residential development, and Canyon Ranch, the country's first Wi-Fi integrated community that features the first fully furnished and fully serviced homes in Asia called the Casitas. Century Properties also developed Essenza East Forbes, voted by Asia Week as the best residential building in the Philippines, and the Centurion, a hyper-luxury condominium rising in the heart of Midtown Manhattan, just a few steps away from Fifth Avenue and Central Park in New York. Now, Century Properties is once again redefining condo living by offering Filipinos white sand, the calming sound of waves, and everything that comes with a tropical paradise right in Metro Manila. A white sand beach in the city? Impossible, you might think. Wait till you see Azure Urban Resort Residences. Located right beside SMB Kutan, Azure Urban Resort Residences provides residents with a serene retreat from the stresses of work. Its close proximity to airports, as well as commercial and business hubs, makes everything within a short drive away. Azure is a veritable paradise that mixes everything you've ever wanted in a dream vacation with all the comforts you wished for in a home. Kick off your shoes and dip your feet in cool, soothing waters while listening to the calming sound of the waves lapping against the pristine white sand shore. If an exciting game of tennis is your way of relaxing, invite office mates over for a friendly match in Azure's multi-sports court or release your stress by swimming in the lap pool. You can also go for walks with your wife or kids in Azure's fragrant gardens or the man-made beach cove. Play areas, water cascades, and kiddie pools offer endless fun possibilities for your kids as well. So far, you've only seen what Azure can offer outside. But let's take a peek at how you can enjoy a relaxing lifestyle indoors. Azure offers 1, 2, and 3 bedroom configurations that you can design according to your taste and style. You can go for Zen-like interiors, white furniture, and an uncluttered design, or be inspired by our country's tropical setting and stick to neutrals and a more Asian tropical feel. You can also go ultra-modern with blacks or grays and edgy furniture. Allow these different model units to inspire you and help unleash your creativity. I'm with John Victor Antonio, Chief Operating Officer, Century Properties. Hi, Jigger.
Hi, Angel.
Thank you for inviting us to Azure Urban Resort Residences. I entered earlier, and if I heard the waves, I saw the colors, blue. It was so pleasing to the eye, so relaxing. What inspired you to come up with this kind of concept?
Okay, we actually go to roadshows ourselves. The XCOM composed of me, my brothers, and my dad. So it's very important for us to be in the minds of the consumer, to know what they're thinking. So when we go to roadshows, especially like in cold countries like North America and the UK, most of them yearn for a property which has essentially two elements: access to conveniences and also a laid-back atmosphere. Like for example, in the UK, it rains constantly. Sunshine is about 4 to 6 hours a day. It's kind of depressing. So most of the OFWs, they want to retire here. So when we conceptualized Azure, we wanted to hit two birds with one stone. Have a project that has access to modern conveniences and at the same time have a laid-back atmosphere. In Azure, it's located right beside SM Bicutan, Alabang Town Center.
Imagine, you're located there, but there's a beach.
There's a beach,
Yeah.
exactly. So if you're the sort of hustle and bustle kind of type, you go right next door, you can enjoy the conveniences of city living. But if you want to relax, you enjoy the beach. And we not just the beach, we also have beach volleyball, you can build sand castles, there's water slides for children. There's a lot of new and innovative amenities that we're introducing for the first time in the Philippine market.
At a very affordable
Price.
Yeah. How does one merge a concept like this at a very affordable price? I'm surprised.
Yeah, well, actually it starts with the smaller unit cut. Before, our average cuts of unit sizes were 40 square meters. That was the smallest. But now with Azure, it's 25 square meters. So if you have a smaller unit, it translates to a lower price and lower monthly amortization. By as you can see naman in the model unit,
yes, I was there earlier.
It's quite livable.
Yes,
it's quite livable.
It is.
So the 25 square meters is actually a true one bedroom, wherein there's a sliding partition.
Okay, you speak of the cuts, you speak of your model units. For example, our viewers would like to purchase, and they've already done that. And then at some future time, they'd want to have it rented out, or they'd want to sell. I understand Century Properties can also do that for them?
Yes. We've been in the business for 25 years. So we not only do development, we also do marketing, leasing, and property management. So what happens is that when buyers purchase the unit and want to rent this out, we actually have a leasing team, a dedicated leasing team, which actually helps our buyers to rent this out or to even basic maintenance, like can you send a maid over to clean my apartment every 3 months?
You'll take care of that.
We take care of that because we also have a property management firm, which is actually the largest in the Philippines. We manage over 60 buildings.
Oh, wow. And this is very unique, no? A lot of properties in Metro Manila, a lot of high-rise condominiums don't have paradise in the city. And this is paradise right in Bicutan, as you mentioned earlier.
Yes.
What other amenities or how else can we fully experience the Azure lifestyle?
Okay. Well, like I mentioned, we have actually a lot of beach-oriented amenities in Azure. And for the first time, actually, we are sort of cognizant of the green trend. So if you notice in Azure, all the 9 buildings have lush rooftop gardens. And 80% of the development is actually devoted to open space. So going back to the rooftop gardens, these greenery, they're architecturally planted there, and the roofs are actually angled so that we collect rainwater. This rainwater is then recycled and reused to water the plants that are outside in the landscaping.
So environmentally friendly.
Yeah. So we're as developers, because we also have to be cognizant about the environment.
Yes,
Yes. So little by little, I mean, we don't have all the answers now, but little by little, we're slowly introducing it, and then by the time maybe Azure is fully built up in 5 to 7 years, we will have more green features. Because this is a work in progress.
Right.
So as of now, that's the green feature. Imagine the water saving that we can do, right?
Yes, reuse and recycle.
Reuse and recycle.
I'm curious about the beach. How did this come about? Like, put a beach in the middle of all these high-rise buildings, all these high-rise residences.
Yeah. Okay, and we always want to create innovative and unique projects. Our buyers spend their lifetime earnings, or maybe a maximum of 1/3 their lifetime earnings on a property. So it's very important for us to give them a project that they can be proud of. It's important for OFWs and retirees, and even here, to get that sense of relaxation.
Yes.
So that's why the beach component is a very big portion of the site. And then you have other amenities. You know, you can have sandcastle building for the kids, basketball court. There's even a beach volleyball area.
Yeah, and I understand you can choose like a beachfront unit.
Yes.
That was
Yeah.
music to my ears.
Yeah. You love the beach.
Yes,
Yeah.
I love the beach. So, you know, it really relaxes me to be here. And I can't wait to see the entire property come to full circle.
Yes, yes. Imagine if we were able to build the beach in an office building.
Exactly.
We can build the beach in the property.
Yes.
Very easy.
Yes, so-
At Century, our motto is real estate with passion. We don't believe in creating cookie-cutter developments or predictable developments. We believe in creating unique, one-of-a-kind real estate developments that our buyers can enjoy, not only for their generation, but for their sons and daughters, and even for their grandkids.
Well, thank you, Jigger. On behalf of our viewers, we'd like to thank Century Properties for bringing the beach to Manila. Thank you.
Thank you, Angel.
After working non-stop for days, there's nothing like a beach vacation to recharge your energies and get you ready to face the world once more. With Azure Urban Resort Residences, you can have that beach vacation right in your own backyard every day. It's definitely a tropical paradise you can call your home.